The crypto market is finally looking bullish. While many retail investors are looking to time the XRP pump, I think it's a really good time to look for other already launched altcoins and projects that likely will pump during the next bull run. And one of these tokens, in my opinion, is Enjin token. This project has been around since 2017. Enjin token is a really unique opportunity because the project never stopped building and adding utility. Plus, gaming and NFT projects are coming back with a big boom. And the added bonus is that I haven't seen many YouTubers except Alex Becker actually talk about this coin. So we can actually buy these tokens early before the hype begins. So let's jump into the website to check out all the features, and I'll explain you why I think this project could be really bullish. But before that, I need to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, guys. Always do research, and let's check out this project. So just to start off, I'll explain you what does Enjin even do. Enjin is a world-class blockchain software co-founded by Maxim Blogov and Vitek Rodomsky in 2009. Enjin has a complete ecosystem consisting of products that individuals, businesses, and developers can use to develop, trade, and monetize the NFTs. Allowing users to manage NFTs with the Enjin wallet lets them share NFTs to simple QR codes and provides them access to dedicated marketplaces to trade and collect rare NFTs. All the transactions in the Enjin ecosystem are powered by their own Enjin Coin. And there's way more utility this project actually offers. So let's jump into the website and check out all the information because they made it super easy. They have all the info, the white papers, everything on the website. So first of all, I just mentioned they have the Enjin wallet, which is I think one of the biggest utilities this project offers. And once you're on the homepage, you can see you can download it on the Android and App Store. So let's jump in because the numbers are actually crazy. Google Play, you can see they have over 1 million downloads and the rating is 4.5, which is crazy high rating. It's a similar story with the App Store. They have 892 ratings and the rating is 4.4. And I think this is a really huge bonus for the project because they already have a lot of users. They already proven their utility. And this is usually the hard part for the upcoming and new crypto projects to actually get these people to download the app, to test out the app. And this project, as I mentioned, launched 2017 and they have really proven track record. They have the users, they have the ratings. And I think these kind of projects will be pumping like crazy in the upcoming bull run, which is, I think, coming really soon. I don't want to really speculate about the exact date, but it's coming soon because we just had XRP win against SEC. We have the BlackRock ETF. So there is lots of bullish news. And these kind of projects, in my opinion, look like a safer bet than just betting on some meme coins. Next up on the website, they have even more information about the products because they have wallet, platform, and NFT IO. Different solutions they offer. So they actually offer solutions for individuals, for us, and also businesses and developers. That's why I said this project actually has crazy amount of utility for everyone. It's like really wide range of utility for retail, for investors, for users, and even for developers. Next up on the website, they have some of the brands and companies like partners. So trusted by companies like Microsoft. So yeah, that's pretty crazy. Binance US, Coin Market Cap. So they have lots of big names that trust this project and partnered up with this project, which is again a huge plus for this project. Next, extremely bullish thing about the Enjin is their ecosystem. And they have the button right here. So if we jump in here, we can see all the different projects that incorporated Enjin. And we can see, again, Microsoft and lots of different big gaming projects on blockchain. So I think overall, the project has a lot to offer. Again, they have a lot of utility. They have strong partners, the big brands, and they have a big ecosystem, which is growing every day. Next up, I would like to jump into the charts and check out the charts because, of course, we're here to make money. So I checked before, and at the peak, the project was at around $5. And now we're looking at 30 cents per coin. Next important thing to know is that all the tokens are already circulating. I do believe this project can actually come back to all-time highs. And realistically, I think $3 is pretty realistic. So it's like 10x from this price. And the good part is the project is really well known. It's a household name. It's an OG project. It survived from 2017. I do believe there is a big opportunity in this project. And if we jump into Twitter, we can see they have over 500,000 followers, which is a crazy amount. So as I mentioned, the project has lots of people following it, lots of people using it. So guys, let me know, what do you think about Enjin? Do you agree with me? And of course, subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.